and it's a slow week here. It's 9:30. Oh man, my ADHD is way ahead of me. I thought it was later. It's 9:30. Getting ready to do an AC recover recharge at the customer's request. I didn't sell him this. He's selling himself. He's making sure that his AC system is full of refrigerant. And then at my shop, when we do an AC service, we're always injecting fresh oil and dye. Doing this at home, DIY, chances are you're not doing it right. That isn't oil, it's a lubricant inside your system. If the system is wearing inside, it's got dirty oil in it. When you do an AC recovery recharge with machines, it will remove some oil, and then you got to put oil back. So we're going to do an AC recharge and dye on this thing. I'm going to actually tell you a little story, since I was up front while this was happening. And this isn't a bad thing, and it's not a good thing. I don't know how to say this. I'm trying to find a spot to put you guys without my camera falling over. He also asked for AC recharge and dye. So I'm going to set it up while you're working. So I'm at the counter. I'm letting the customer know that we're going to sanitize his vents at no charge for today's service. That there was mold in his filter. It wasn't black mold, but it's mold. Mold is mold. The guy came in. He was driving a Cadillac. I don't know what year it was. It was newer, but not new. And he asked, "Do we do spark plug replacement here?" We're like, "Yeah, for sure." Then his next question was, "What if I bring my own parts?" So then I stepped in from what April was doing. I said, as long as you're using OEM dealer parts, we have no problem with you bringing your own parts. If you're using Amazon, eBay, Temu, AutoZone, Advanced, forget it. We're not interested. And then he really didn't like that, and then he left. Yes, if you're buying OEM parts from the dealership in a box for whatever you want, this guy right here and this guy will be more than happy to put your OEM parts on your car. No problem. It's when you start bringing in Amazon, Temu, eBay parts is when the red flag goes up for me and says, "No thanks, not interested." Thanks for watching.